Today's lifestyle is very busy and fast-paced. Tapos, when you get home, you need to think about all the chores that you will need to do throughout the day. At dahil you need clean clothes every day, the last thing you need is ang mahirapan sa paglalaba ng mga damit na iyong gagamitin. Kaya naman, you'll want a washer that's powerful and efficient enough to clean whatever your clothes have been through, no matter how big the load is. Hindi ba't masarap isipin na you can do all of that while still saving on time, water, and energy? Now it's made possible with the Whirlpool's Radiant Inverter Plus front load washer. Designed with innovative and advanced eco technology, this washer provides a dynamic wash performance that guarantees up to 50% savings on time, water, and energy. It is equipped with a Sense Inverter technology that adjusts the drum rotation to ensure maximum wash power and efficiency. It also detects the internal conditions of the laundry through the 6 Sense technology and continuously adjusts settings to conserve resources. Kaya naman makakasiguro ka na talagang maaasahan mo ang Whirlpool to give you an even more powerful wash performance compared to non-inverter washing machines while still being gentle on your clothes. Inside, there is an anti-corrosive drum that is designed upang ma-reduce ang friction sa ating clothes to prevent the fibers from getting caught during the wash and spin cycles. This dynamic eco-friendly washer also delivers an outstanding spin speed of up to 1,400 RPM or revolutions per minute for drier clothes after every wash. This washer is also designed with a U-shaped one-piece casing and intelligent stabilizer system that is intentionally developed to reduce noise, absorb shock, and minimize vibrations to ensure a peaceful wash any time of the day. The thick material that encases the washer ensures durability with anti-rust features for an extended lifespan of the washing machine. Whirlpool's Radiant Inverter Plus front-load washing machine comes with a warranty of 1 year on parts and service, while the Sense Inverter motor comes with a warranty of 10 years. This is available in all leading appliance stores nationwide. Get to know more about this product and other line of Whirlpool appliances when you visit our showroom that are located in Quezon City, Cebu, Bacolod, Iloilo, and Davao. You may also visit our website at www.whirlpool.com.ph or like us on Facebook. That's Whirlpool Philippines. Whirlpool, the #1 appliance brand in the world.